Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading and gabay. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And syempre, sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay, so yeah, and yes, don't forget na mag-follow. Okay? So, yeah. Oops. Okay. May isang naka-flip. The Nine of Swords. Why? Someone is stressing, thinking, afraid. What? Okay, so let's start with air signs. Okay, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong message? Energy check-ins, prediction. Ang kailangan yung malaman. Okay. Oh, kanina 9 of Swords. Ngayon 10 of Swords. Why? This is energy ng healing. Okay? The 10 of Swords. Endings. Okay, what's that? 10 of Swords. Oh, see? Sino to? Anong meron? Some of you, ikaw itong talagang nakakaranas ng kalungkutan in general tungkol sa nag-end. Some of you, you're suffering. Okay? Pagdating sa isang connection na nag-end. Some of you, ikaw itong nasa third party. Okay? Pero this is ending. Let's see. Puro swords. What's this? 3 of Swords. Let's see. Again, another sword. The 7 of Swords in reverse. 10 and 3. 10 minus 3. 7. 7 of Swords. Okay. Some of you, you're in this situation na alam mong nagtitiis ka na lang. Okay? May mga nalaman, may mga malalaman yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Pero sinasabi rito na talagang pinaalam, no? Talagang pinaalam, talagang pinakita sa'yo or papakita sa'yo ni universe kung ano man yan para may mag-end. See? The Tower. Unexpectedly, something will come to an end. Okay? Kasama The Magician. Kasama sa kung ano man. Maybe you're manifesting something. Okay? Pero, yes, kung ano man to, tatanggalin ni universe to eh. Okay? Para, pwedeng sabihin nating bara. Okay? Doon sa dadaluyan mo. Okay? So, tatanggalin nila yan. Okay? Yeah. 10 of Cups. Para sa mas ikagaganda. Okay? So, what else? Some of you talagang still, meron pa ring may nag-end na actually, pero nandoon pa rin. Like, sumisilip-silip pa rin sa'yo yung sitwasyon. So, parang hindi pa rin nalilimutan. And, ang advice is heal. Okay? You have to heal. You must. Okay? So, what else for air signs? Yeah. See, the 10 of Cups. Okay. What's that? This is occasion. This is get together. Okay? What's that? The Hierophant in reversed. Commitments. I'm hearing commitments. What's with that Hierophant in reversed? Yeah, the Queen of... Parang iisang storya itong pinapakita dito. Parang iisang storya. Kabit-kabit. Gagawan ko kayo ng isa pang reading, okay? Yeah. Okay, so... Meron dito, as sinasabi dito, pwedeng another person involved nga. No? Kaya hindi naging committed yung isa. Let's see ano tong 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. This is cutting off. Yeah. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Cutting off. May mga ito in general, may mga sitwasyon, tao na iaalis sa universe, sa buhay mo. Okay? Para sa ikabubuti. Yes. Nandoon yung pain. Nandoon yung sabihin nating hindi mo magugustuhan. Pwedeng lalabanan mo pa. May ganon. Kasi ayaw mo, may chance na ganon yung iba sa inyo. Pero kailangan mangyari to. Okay? Yeah, the Chariot. Para makausad. Okay? So, I'm gonna pick. Isa pa. Okay. Parang gusto kong gumamit ng ibang tarot. Okay. So, this one. Okay. So, yan. Okay. So, air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong message for you? Okay. Message for air signs, please. Okay. The Six of Swords in reversed. Laging sword. So, Six of Swords. What's this? The Magician in reversed. Okay. So, Virgo energy. Some of you, there's this Virgo. A past person na pwedeng bumalik. Bakit? Hindi rin sila sure kung bakit sila babalik sa'yo. Okay? Meron ditong manipulation. Yeah, see? The Moon. Okay? Or maybe, magbibigay ng confusion. Okay? Itong taong to pag bumalik. What's with this Magician in reversed? Yeah, the Seven of Chalices in reverse. Some of you manifested this person. Okay? You manifested this person. And may chance na hindi na dapat i-manifest. Okay? Yeah, parang minamanifest mo yung para itong bato na ipupukpok mo lang uli sa ulo mo. Ha? Okay? Yes. Ganon, ang na-manifest mo ang, I don't know. Okay, so kung sino man yan, minanipula ka, niloko ka niyan sa past, may pagbabalik. Okay? Some of you, you're not aware na namamanifest mo pala siya. Okay? What else for air signs? The Tower. Isa yung card, no? Oh, ito naman, si Tower ulit. What's that? Okay, the Three of Wands. Okay. This is, sabihin nating unexpected. Yeah. There's this unexpected na pwedeng mangyari. What's this? Three of Wands. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron ditong bigla ang aalis. Okay? Bigla ang may pupuntahan. May mga ganon. Okay? Yeah, the High Priestess. I'm seeing, mayroong darating surprise. Okay? Unexpected. Some of you, ikaw itong sabihin nating hindi mo na ina-expect na may magme-message sa'yo, pero yes, there's someone na pwedeng mag-message. Okay? Okay. So what else for you air signs? Okay, the devil in reversed. The devil in reversed. The hermit in reversed. The nine of pentacles. Okay. So we have here an energy na parang gustong gumawa ng tama pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? Ano bang meron dito sa hermit na naka-reverse? Pero hindi niya alam. Para siyang nangangapa kung paano niya gagawin. Paano niya sisimulan niya. The three of pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the judgment. May gustong ditong magbalik. May gustong bumalik sa'yo talaga, air sign. Okay, some of them, they will drop the third party kung may third party involved. Okay? Ayun lang na may panghinayangan sila in the near future or in the future. Okay, this person is thinking a lot. Yeah. Okay, we have here the three of chalices. Energy ng third party involvement. Mga ganyan. Okay, someone is getting their karma. Yeah. Okay. May naririnig ako dito, the grass wasn't greener on the other side. So that is why they are returning. Okay? Yeah, may comeback dito mga air signs. Okay? So expect ninyo kung sino man itong babalik sa inyo, ganun pa rin sila. Walang pinagbago. Okay? Babalik lang yan dahil sabihin nating takot sila na magsimula muli, kumilala ng iba. Okay? And yes, nakakakita sila or nakakaramdam sila. Alam nila na ikaw yung comfort zone. Ikaw yung sabihin nating doon sila sa'yo makakaramdam ng safe sila, comfortable, mga ganyan. Okay? So, yun lang nakukuha ko. Yeah. Okay. May mga mahanap kayong bagay. Yung mga hindi nyo na masyadong pinaghahanap, bigla na lang lulutang. May mga ganon. Okay? Yeah, simple message lang yan. Okay? So, there's rumor din na pwedeng kumalat around workplace maybe. Okay? Yeah. Some of you may bigla ang babalik. May bigla ang bibisita maybe. Na matagal nyo nang hindi nakita, matagal nyo nang hindi na kausap. Biglaan. Okay? Okay, so there. Hang on, wait lang po ha, sandali lang. Okay, so, yeah. Next is... Okay. Fire signs. Yan. Okay. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Okay. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Thank you. So, fire signs. Anong kailangan yung malaman? Mensahe. Energy check-ins. Gabay. Prediction. Okay. Tingnan natin. Para sa mga fire signs. Okay. Page of chalices in reversed. Ito, ang simpleng energy, ang simpleng mensahe nito. Ibig sabihin niya, may mga nagkaka-crush. Okay, may mga nagkakagusto sa inyo, pero tinatago lang. Okay? Yeah, the Knight of Chalices. Yes, meron nga. Oo. Pero hindi sila rumirekta sa'yo. Rumirekta. Dumidirect. Oo. Okay? Some of you, meron kang karelasyon or kakonect dito na napaka-immature. Water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay? So, the Knight of Chalices in reverse, ito yung parang hot and cold, no? Some of them may ka-immaturan, sa totoo lang. Kaya ganyan. Okay? Some of them, merong mga tinatago. Okay? Iba sa kanila, may mga kausap. I'm so sorry, pero... yeah. Yung iba naman dito, yung may kung sino man itong nagkaka-crush sa'yo. Kaya hindi siya uma-action towards you. Kasi feeling nila meron kang kakonect na iba. Okay? Merong kakonect na iba. Yun ang alam nila, kaya ganun. Yeah. Okay? So, what else for fire signs? Fire signs. Okay, the Hanged Man. Ooh. There's this someone, pwedeng Pisces, ang talagang iniisip at iniisip ka. Okay, what's with this Hanged Man? Okay, the King of Wands universe. Okay, I'm seeing some of you nagpo-procrastinate, no? Yung nagdi-delay, no, ng mga dapat gawin, mga dapat aksyonan, mga ganyan. I'm seeing here delays. Okay? Ano tong King of Wands universe? Some of you, meron ditong nagmamanipula sa'yo. May nagmamanipula. Iba, pwedeng hindi kayo nag-uusap. Gusto kasi nito, ikaw ang gagawa ng paraan. Okay? Kung ano man ang issue meron sa inyong dalawa, ikaw ang gusto niya na gumawa ng paraan. And yes, nakaupo lang sila, naghihintay. Okay? The King of Wands universe. Yeah, the Seven of Chalices. Meron dito ng babaliktad. Okay? Pwedeng may mambaliktad sa'yo. Yeah. Something like, meron kang biniblame sa kanya, pero hindi papayag itong taong to na may i-blame din siya. Na wala siyang i-blame, I mean. Okay? Pwedeng mayroon kang i-blame dito, pero hindi siya papayag na wala siyang i-blame sa'yo. Lahat ng sinasabi mo, pagdating sa kanya, ikaw ang ituturo niyan dahilan kung bakit niya ginagawa yon. May ganon. Okay? Yeah, see the Five of Wands. Arguments. Okay? Some of you, ikaw itong nakakatunog na, no, ng third party. Yeah. Okay? Oh no. Okay, so what else for fire signs? There's a lot of delays. Okay, iba sa inyo, meron ditong parang absent pagdating sa work. May magli-leave. I don't know if this is VL, no, vacation leave, sick leave, no? Kasi sobrang daming gawa. Andun yung parang kakailanganin ng magpahinga kahit kaunti. Okay? Kunin natin itong nalaglag. Okay. Ooh, the Wheel of Fortune and the Nine of Wands universe. Alam nyo, fire sign, ito yung pinaka-open na oportunidad para mag-manifest ka. Okay? Ito yung pinaka magandang oras. For me, I'm seeing here, ina-advisean ka ni universe, no? Na mag-manifest ka ng maganda. Pagdating sa'yo, pagdating sa ibang tao. Kasi open Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Wands universe. Dinidinig. Okay, dinidinig lahat ng wish mo, lahat ng desires mo. So, syempre, hindi naman lahat yon. Okay, kung ano lang deserve mo, maybe. Yung may mga granter dyan, yung may mga love bracelet dyan. Yan. Okay, gamitin nyo na. Pagkakataon na rin to. Times 2 na. Times 2 na yan, no? Okay. The Knight of Wands, the Two of Wands, the King of Pentacles. Okay. So, meron ditong may mga magsisimula. Okay, magsisimula sa pagbi-business, may mga mag-open ng another branch. Yeah. Okay? This is nice. May mga kaakibat lang talaga na maraming responsibilidad or maraming gawain. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, pagdating sa health, medyo alalayan. Okay? Kasi andun yung pagod eh. Andun yung pagod, ha? Mga fire signs. Yes. Marami kang ang gawa. Marami kang kung ikaw naman ay magkasakit, no? Konting alalay, limitahan. Alam nyo naman yan. Okay? So, ano tong ibibigay? Merong ibibigay. Meron dito magiging open. Okay? Kasi sa universe, there's something. There's like, may magbubukas na pintuan. Okay? Merong iaabot. Merong ibibigay sa universe sa'yo. Oh. Kung ano hinihingi mo, ng sobra. Okay? Kung anong pinagdarasal mo, kung anong hinihingi mo, ito yun. Manifest. Mag-manifest kayo. Ito yung tama. Ito yung sabihin nating pinaka-open na opportunity. Okay? Para mag-manifest ka. Okay? So, yeah. Parang minsanan lang. So, i-grab nyo na. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Okay. Next. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. So, anong kailangan mong malaman? Mensahe, gabay, energy check-ins, prediction. For water signs, yeah. Okay. Siyempre, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe before tayo mag-start ng read mo. Okay, water signs. Okay, the Ten of Swords. What's that? Wow, the Ten of Pentacles. There's this changes coming pagdating sa finances. Okay. This is upgrade, like energy ng leveling up. Okay, status is going up. More clients, more customers. This is it. Okay, water signs. Changes pagdating sa finances or sa kung ano man. Like, yeah, in general, may pagtaas ng income, maybe, ng benta. Okay. Yeah. Ten of Swords. Yeah, see, Ace of Swords. Some of you, this is an energy of promotion. Yes, promotion. This is nice. Yeah. See, the Three of Wands. Some of you, minanifest nyo to. This is good. Yeah. Okay, this is in general changes pagdating sa finances. Yeah, changes. Pero yung changes na to is good. Okay? Pataas. Yeah. Ascending. Okay? So, what else for water signs? May mga pirmahan ako nakikita rito. May mga i-upgrade. Okay? Some of you pwedeng bumili ng another vehicle. Maybe may mga magsasign ng hindi ko alam, pwedeng ari-arian na to, mga ganyan. Okay? Okay, the Emperor in reversed. What's that? The Six of Chalices. Some of you, pwedeng meron ditong mga tatawagan, okay, ng mga dating employer. Okay, and pababalikin ka. Yeah. There's a lot of offer na pwedeng dumating for you. Ano tong Emperor in reversed? Some of you, I'm seeing here retirement. Okay, retirement. The Emperor, please, in reversed. What's this? The Knight of Wands in reversed. Yeah. Ito yung energy na pwedeng may aalis sa isang position. Okay? Yeah, this is workplace related. Okay? Regarding workplace. The Three of Pentacles in reversed. Ano tong Six of Chalices? Yeah, Page of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong under evaluation. Okay? And yes, hindi mo alam yun. May chance na hindi mo alam. Okay? So, mas maganda, gawin mo yung mga trabaho na dapat. Yung mga sabihin nating tama, no? Okay? Yes, you're under evaluation, some of you. Okay? Some of you have a stalker. A person from the past. The player. They're stalking you. Yeah. Ano yung stalk nila? Tingnan natin. Anong tinitingnan nila? Anong tinitingnan ng taong to? Itong past person mo. Na player, ha? The Fool. Tinitingnan nila kung ano bang mga nangyayari na sa'yo, ano bang meron, ano bang mga bago pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Ayaw ng mga to na makakita ng bago pagdating sa'yo, actually. Okay? Kasi sila, walang nangyayari. Yeah. So, kapag may nakita silang something new pagdating sa'yo, mararamdaman nila yung, sabihin natin parang regrets, no? Andoon rin yung panghihinayang. Okay? So, what else for water signs? Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. What else? The Tower. Okay. What's with that Tower? The King of Pentacles. This is talagang pinagsisigawan ng baraha, no? Mga water signs ng upgrade pagdating sa kaperahan. Okay? Pagdating sa kaperahan, this is nice. Okay? Hindi lahat ng energy ng Tower is bad. Okay? This is unexpected. Some of you will get nabubulol ako. Unexpected finance, unexpected money. Okay? Yeah. See, Eight of Swords. Wala kang idea dito. We have here the Sun. This is nice. Yeah, some of you, this is surprise. A surprise. Okay. Wala kang idea dito kung ano man to. And yes, this is a good energy na paparating. Okay? A good see, the Hierophant. Some of you, this is commitment. Some of you, may chance. Okay? Yung mga may karelasyon. Yung may mga karelasyon dito na napakahaba na ng mga pinagsamahan. Meron akong nakuhang proposal. May magpo-propose. May magsasabi ng yes. Okay? Yeah. Merong pag-level up talaga. So, okay, this is talking about maybe, in general, this is commitment. Yeah, this is commitment. Yeah. Some of you, I'm seeing here, unexpected pregnancy for some of you. Okay? Kung ikaw itong, alam mong pwedeng mabuntis, at pwedeng makabuntis, ha? Okay, if you're not ready, then wag muna. Kasi, yeah, I'm seeing here, unexpected. Okay, unplanned. Yeah, pregnancy. Okay? So, iba naman, kung talagang parang, ang tawag dyan, wino-workout nyo yan. Yung pagbubuntis na yan, yeah, I'm seeing some of you. Okay? Yung talagang, hindi na kayo parang nag-expect pa. Yeah. Doon at doon ibibigay. This is nice. Okay. So there. Yeah. Okay. Next is Earth signs. Okay. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. So, hang on. Inom lang ako ng sandali. Sandali lang. Okay. So, Earth signs. Okay. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, ano bang meron? Anong kailangan yung marinig, malaman? mensahe, gabay, prediction, energy check-ins. Pero syempre, yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, no? Bago tayo bumunot. Okay? So, okay na ba? Oo, thank you. Oo. So, earth signs. Okay. The Five of Pentacles Inverse. Okay. Ito yung energy pagdating sa kaperahan na parang may aangat. Okay? Meron nang mawawala na sabihin nating problem pagdating sa finance. Okay? Kung dati is zero, pwede ngayon sabihin nating meron na. Okay? May mga problem pagdating sa inyong kaperahan na pwedeng ma-resolve. Yeah. Okay? The Five of Pentacles in reverse. So what's with that? What's with the Five of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Promotion for some of you. Okay? There's promotion. Some of you may mga magbabayad ng utang, mababayaran na. I think, yeah, the Justice is here in reverse. So, may mga tendency na parang hindi na-fix before, pero ngayon nakukuha ko na pwedeng maging okay na. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles in reverse, may mga magbabayad, may mga kukuha ng bayad like that. Some of you, ikaw itong pwedeng hindi ka na masyadong mamumroblema. Okay, pagdating sa finance, pagdating, yeah, unti-unti. Okay, unti-unti. May upgrade, may leveling up. Some of you, you will get a message from someone. Okay, ano tong Five of Pentacles in reverse? Kasi ito yung energy ng pakikipag-ayos. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the Justice again in reverse. Yeah, some of you, kung ano man ito, merong mga issue like mga legal issues, okay? May chance na pwedeng may ipapanalo kung ano man yung mga sabihin nating rumorolyo talaga no, na kaso, okay? May pag-usad, may mananalo, parang ganyan, okay? May mga mag-grant. Some of you, I'm seeing here visa. Okay? I'm seeing here visa. Yeah. Yeah, that's specific. This is visa. Okay. The Knight of Swords in reverse. What's that? What's this? The Page of Pentacles. Who is this? There's this someone younger or maybe ka-age mo. Ang parang hindi mo kausap. Okay, anong meron? Yeah, death is here. Some of you may nangyaring separation or endings. No contact for some of you. Anong meron? Anong meron dito? Bakit pinapakita to? Anong meron dyan? The Ten of Chalices in reverse. Some of them, sinasabi ni Universe na kung sino man sila, kung sino man to, mga hindi nyo kausap ha, dumadanas rin sila ng sadness. Dumaranas din sila ng, sabihin nating, hindi komportable. Okay? Yeah. Ayaw rin nila ng ganito. Yung walang contact, hindi kayo nag-uusap, kahit sabihin yung, maniwala. Eh di wag ka maniwala. Okay? Nanood ka pa. Okay? Ba't nanonood ka pa kung di ka maniniwala? Alam mo naman pala, bakit nanonood ka pa? Ha? Yeah, some of them, they want to talk. The Four of Swords in reverse. Okay, kung sino man tong hindi mo kausap, nalulungkot sila. Yeah, nalulungkot sila. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng mga kamag-anakan mo, mga family. Okay? Na hindi yun yung nakakausap. Pwedeng may nangyari lang na endings, mga ganyan. Pwedeng, yeah, they want to talk. They miss you, maybe. Gusto ko lang makita, mga ganyan. Kumusta? Parang ganyan. Yeah, the Four of Swords. They're thinking of you a lot. They're thinking of you. Kung sino man yan. What else for earth signs? Earth signs. Okay, the temperance. What's this? Temperance. The moon. Who is this patiently waiting for you? Pwedeng Sag, pwedeng Pisces. Who's this? Who's this? The Knight of Pentacles. They're not doing any action towards you. You're in a pause. Okay? Pwedeng, kung sino man siya itong naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Okay? Isa pa. Ano tong Knight of Pentacles? Anong meron dyan? Some of you, meron silang hinihintay na pwedeng ikaw ang gagawa talaga ng decision eh. Wala silang gagawin. Wala silang kundi paghihintay lang. Okay? Patiently waiting. Knight of Pentacles. The Seven of Swords. Bakit ang daming energy na nakapalibot sa inyo, earth signs, na parang may mga naghihintay, may mga nag-i-stalk, may mga nag-iisip sa inyo. Ha? Anong meron dito? May naririnig akong kanta. Oo. Yun yung naririnig kong song. Anong meron doon? You're always on my mind. Hindi ko alam yung kanta. I'm so sorry. I don't know. Yeah. I can't. Yeah. Iba sa inyo may mga sumusulyap-sulyap talaga. No? Wala kayong idea na gusto ka ng taong to. Yeah, they're attracted. Yeah, they're attracted pagdating sa'yo. Okay. They're manifesting you. Some of you have this age gap. Okay, so maybe nandun yung nahihiya sila or hindi nila alam kung paano, like, pwedeng malaki yung distansya or gap kung anong meron sa inyo. Okay? Iba sa inyo, sa sobrang pag-iisip ng taong to, lumalabas ka na sa panaginip. May ganun. Okay, hindi sila makapagbigay or they're not ready na mag-offer ng connection or relationship with you. The Ace of Chalices in reverse. Some of them, wala talagang gagawin. Wala talaga silang gagawin. Kundi maghintay lamang. Okay? I-admire ka sa malayo. Okay? So, some of you, kaibigan mo, nakakasama mo, isang environment, maybe. Okay, pwedeng kaklase mo, katrabaho mo, kung saan ka pumupunta madalas, palagi mo siyang nakikita, nakakasama, pero yes, wala silang sinasabi, wala silang pinapakitang aksyon. They're hiding it. Ni-intimidate sila, some of them. Anyway, okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.